In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Bill.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel confident creating and sending a professional invoice from start to finish without missing any important details. Let's begin right from the Bill.com dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu. From there, you'll want to head over to the Invoices section. This is your home base for everything related to billing your customers, whether you're sending something new or following up on an existing invoice. Next, it's time to start a new invoice. On this page, you'll typically see an Actions Plus button or a similar option that lets you create something new. Click that and choose Send an Invoice. Depending on your layout, you might also see a Create Invoice button within the Open Invoices area. Either option will take you to the same place to build your invoice. Now you'll choose who you're billing. Select an existing customer from your list, or, if this is someone new, add them as a new customer. When you add a new customer, it's a good idea to link them to your Bill.com network whenever possible. Connecting through the network can speed up payments and reduce the manual work of entering their details every time. With your customer selected, start entering the invoice details. Pick the template that best matches your usual style or company standards. Then add your line items. For each line, include a clear description of the product or service, the quantity, and the price. Take your time here so the customer immediately understands what they're being billed for. After that, set your payment terms, such as net 15 or net 30, add a purchase order number if one was provided, and select a sales representative if that's part of your tracking. This is also where you apply any discounts, sales tax, or other charges that need to appear on the invoice. Once your invoice details look good, move on to customizing the email that will be sent with it. Click Review and Send to open the email view. Here, you can personalize the body of the message, and you can use tokens to automatically pull in things like the customer's name or invoice number. Add your logo and any branding elements so the email looks polished and consistent with your business. If more than one person needs a copy, add additional recipients before you continue. Finally, decide how you want to deliver the invoice. If you're ready for the customer to receive it right away, choose Send to deliver it immediately. If you'd rather time it for later, select Schedule Email and pick the date and time that works best for you and your customer. And that's it. You've successfully created, customized, and sent an invoice using Bill.com.